Nothing Phone 1 is set to launch globally today. The event will be live-streamed via the company's official YouTube channel at 8:30 p.m. IST in India. The handset is going to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC. According to recent leaks, it can feature a 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup. It has also been tipped to sport a 6.55-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is expected to get Gorilla Glass on the front and back panels. Nothing Phone 1 global launch event, titled Return to Instinct, will take place later today globally. People who are interested can watch the live stream of the event in India at 8:30 p.m. IST via Nothing's official YouTube channel. Users can also choose to sign up to receive notifications about the launch on the company's website. The first smartphone from the UK-based company led by Carl Pei, Nothing Phone 1, is expected to be priced between 30,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees in India. The handset was reportedly seen listed on the Amazon German website. According to the listing, the 8GB RAM plus 128GB inbuilt storage variant is expected to be priced at €469.99, roughly 37,900 rupees. The 12GB RAM plus 256GB inbuilt storage variant is said to become at €549.99, while the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant can be priced at €499.99, roughly 40,300 rupees. Earlier, the founder of Nothing had confirmed that the Phone 1 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC. Additionally, the smartphone will reportedly feature a 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup. It can sport a 6.55-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The front and back panel of the Nothing Phone 1 is said to be protected by Gorilla Glass. It could also run Android 12 out of the box. The most important specification of the Nothing Phone 1 is its LED notification system that is powered by the company's Glyph interface. The smartphone will feature an LED setup at the rear that will light up when a user receives a notification alert or call. Users can also assign different light alert patterns for different contacts. The LED setup at the back will also reflect the battery percentage of the smartphone when it is plugged in. Nothing had recently been confirmed via TikTok that the Phone 1 will come with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Recently, in a video shared by reviewer Gaurav Chaudhary aka Technical Guruji, the first looks of the retail box were revealed, which indicated that the company might not provide a charging adapter with the phone in the box.